Hello and good morning. This is a market daily review, and my name is Maria. I will present you today's ideas for market and what I think about the gold, what I think about euro, and the news that we're going to get today from the Bureau of Statistics. Well, what is interesting for today is that we had some good advices for you on metal, on currencies, and they're still in work. I hope that we make good trades and we'll keep doing it today. I will remind you that as far as we have a lot of traders being on vacation on Friday because of banks holiday. So it is time to trade today and tomorrow, and on Friday the market will be really boring. So take your time. Let's go to the news list that we are going to have and uh, what we should pay attention to today. On Wednesday, 28th of March, France will publish consumer spending and consumer confidence. UK at 10 a.m. will publish CBI retail sales volume balance. At 12:30, USA will give us GDP, and this will be GDP for fourth quarter and the final market, the final data. So after that, we have at 12:30 also wholesale inventories for February, and at 2 p.m., the United States of America will give us pending home sales for February. Also at 11:15, it's the GMT time, Japan will give us retail sales. So due to the news list, we know that we should pay attention to Great Britain pound, to euro dollar, and of course to United States dollar VC Japanese yen. This is what about currencies. Also, we'll pay attention to some indexes today. We come back to our charts and discuss the situation. The euro dollar, I will remind you, yesterday we hit the target that we had 1.2450, and the market didn't give us an idea, didn't give us a point to enter to long positions again, because the 4-hour chart, we discussed it yesterday, the 4-hour chart closed below this line that we mentioned as an important one. So we didn't buy the euro dollar again. For now, it is okay, I think, to open long positions again, as far as market shows us a good interest on the bottom part of the chart. And like about 8 hours ago, you can see that there was some good shadows on 4-hour chart, and it gives us an idea that we can keep buying euro dollar, and the first target to buy will be 1.2450. I will remind you that as far as we see trades above 1.23, it is okay to open long positions with the target 1.25 and 1.2740, but the second target is a long one. Okay, let's go to New Zealand dollar. Also, we are still in a trade, and actually right now it is okay to buy this currency pair, New Zealand dollar with the United States dollar. I show you the 4-hour range that we work on, and the target is 0.7310. It is still on. 4-hour chart shows us an interest near level of support 0.7260. So if the price is not under this level, you can keep buying this currency pair with the target 0.7310. This is the first target. If we see other targets that you should hold your positions to, we will mention about it tomorrow. We go next. What I would like to show you is Japanese yen, of course. The United States dollar, and it is time to show you some painting. What I like right now. You can see the tendency line. This is the 4-hour chart, and the tendency line takes the beginning from March 13. So for now, we had a rebound from this tendency line, which was evidence actually. What do we do next? We make one more tendency line. This is a small tendency line, the supported one, and before we see the breakdown of this tendency line, we stay out of market. But after we see the breakdown, either of the bottom one, either of the upper one, we enter market. My idea, as far as we are waiting for euro dollar to go up and New Zealand dollar, we see United States dollar to go up. So I would wait United States dollar, we see Japanese yen to go down. The decision of Trump to make stronger options for China to enter the United States market is still a big problem for trade, for a potential war in the markets. And I think the Japanese yen can be as a safe currency now, and traders will try to buy it. So the currency pair United States dollar versus Japanese yen now will be under pressure. And after you see the breakdown of this tendency line, which is about 105.40, 105.35, it is time to enter short positions for this currency pair. We go next. And I would like to pay attention to Nasdaq. What is my technique for those instruments, for Nasdaq, for S&P 500, for S&P 500, and so on? The target is the 200 exponential moving average. This is a really good indicator that you can use, and it is easy to make targets. If you see that a price is going down and you don't know what is the target for now, your first target will be moving average with a period 200. For now, you can see that Nasdaq will go potentially to 6,300. This is the target now from the point 6,500. So it is okay to sell Nasdaq now. You can do same with the DAX, with S&P 500. You can do same with any other indexes. And if you see that the price is under those under this moving average, so just switch your time frame to weekly, and you will see what is the medium-term target for this instrument, and it really works. If you follow the history and you search how price reacts on this moving average with the period 200, you will see that the first hit usually is a time to rebound for a price. So you also can wait for a price to rebound from this indicator in future. Okay, we go next and we discuss oil. My congratulations to those who sold it already. I think it is okay now to keep your short positions. We discussed that it's good to sell from the price 70, and for this week my idea that price won't go that far down and you still will have some time to enter market with short positions. The period for price to consolidate is about 68.70. Current price is 68.87, and I think it is okay to keep selling this this instrument. So oil is under pressure, and technically you can see a rebound from this tendency line, and this is what we should use now. About gold and silver, here's silver, and well, I would like to make this range a little bit wider, and maybe not to make a lot of deals, but not to make them every day. You can try to sell if the price goes up to 16.70, and your target will be 16.20, 16.30. About the current situation, we open 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. Okay, we see a good rebound from this level of resistance 16.70. We open 1 hour chart, and your entry point will be, if you're still not in a deal, after you see the breakdown of this level of support, this is 16.46. After you see the breakdown, you enter market with the short positions, and your target is 16.20. This is your deal for silver for today. About the gold, also I will remind you that we had a rebound on daily chart, and the tendency line takes It takes the beginning from January 22nd, 22. So what do we see now? Here is a good rebound on daily chart, and that's what we were waiting for. And this is our time to enter market to keep selling gold. What about entry points? Either you enter it right now for the current price, and this is like 1,340. Either you're waiting for the price to go below 1,340. And after that, you enter short positions, and your target will be like 1,320. My idea is that it is okay to use this technical part for now. Your stop losses should be placed above 1,357. My idea was to sell from 1,360, but market didn't give us this price. Well, for today, I think it's okay to keep selling gold, and maybe if the technical picture is won't be broken until the end of this week, maybe we'll see gold near 1,310 as well. Well, this is what we have for today. I hope you take our ideas, and I hope you earn some money with us. So if you have any questions, please ask them under this video in comments, and of course follow our channel. If you like this video, please thumbs up, and this will really help us to create new deals for you, and we really appreciate your attention. Have a good profitable day. Bye bye.